Hello everybody, this is Victoria and I'm here at Shoes of Hollywood and I'm so happy to be here with you guys today. Now we're gonna review these beautiful and stunning shoes. The name are Cocktail, you can see. And they are 5-inch heels, okay? As usual, they bring with this beautiful and necessary box which protect there. I love it. And also they bring with this dust-free bag and with this carry bag, which is super necessary when you need to travel, or maybe if you, like me, have some photo shoot and you need to bring your shoes with you. It's really good. So they are black. Look at this beautiful 5-inch. Look at this. They have this super grippy bottom and they bring with this paper for take really good. And look at this, they bring with this cushioning on the bottom, which is make them really comfortable and make you feel confident. So let's try it. I love it, it's perfect. Another one. Super comfortable. Look at this. It's really comfy, make me feel really comfy. So let's walk. I feel super nice. What do you think, guys? Really, for be honest, this one is really comfortable. These ones are really comfortable. I feel super good. Now we're gonna walk around a little bit outside for show you how amazing looks under sunshine. But don't forget to like, to subscribe to our channel, and as well click in the little bell in this corner for more content like this. Let's go! I'm so excited. It's a beautiful day. I feel really beautiful in these hills. The people look at me. At this. Made me feel really confident, I have to say. I feel like a supermodel. What did you think, guys? I love to read your comments, so let me your comments here down. So this is all for today. I'm really happy to be here with you guys. So the trees I don't want to take off. I love it. Thank you for watching this video and see you next time.